After identification of all the deceased 13 Meiteis who were killed by suspected Kuki militants of December 4 at Leitu village under Tenopal district, the mortal remains have been laid to rest at Andro Torongthel Integrity Park under Imphal East district late night yesterday after paying homage and due respects to the departed souls, which concluded at 3:40 a.m. early today. Several people, irrespective of religion and faith, including areas dominated by Meitei Pangals, offered homage and floral tributes on the way they were being carried from Jenim's morgue to Andro Torongthel with a unified voice to safeguard the territorial integrity of Manipur. After conclusion of post-mortem examination of all the deceased persons, their mortal remains were carried from Jenim's morgue at about 8 p.m. yesterday. Upon arrival of the deceased 13 mortal remains, Andro Torongthel Integrity Park was filled with hues and cries of several people lamenting the loss of the 13 deceased martyrs. All deceased 13 persons have been identified as Thingom Rocky, who was aged about 25 years, son of Thingom Tombo of Torbung Bazar, Mamang; Konjingbam Madhabanta, aged about 40 years, son of late Bimol Chandra from Sagolban Nepra Menjor Mamang Lekai; Ningthojam Tomba, aged 26 years, son of late Shyam of Kumbi Salan Konjin, Part 2; Panjobam Noreen, aged about 19 years, son of Dhammachandra of Andro Torongthel Makhalekai; Chingangkham Roshan, aged about 18 years, son of Surchandra of Andro Torongthel Mayalekai; Maisnam Sanajauba, aged about 22 years, son of Shyam Kanhai of Kakmayai Mayalekai; Morang Tim Kingson, aged about 39 years, son of late King Kong of Kurai Puthiba Maninglekai; Oinam Lokin, aged about 43 years, son of late Shyam Kishore of Sagoban Nepra Menjor; Mayingbam Roshan, aged about 25 years, son of Thoiba from Wangbal Lamboitong; Sogaijam Krishnakanta, aged about 18 years, son of Surchan of Kokching Turel Wangmat Ningthau Paring; Chongtham Chingu alias Ibungo, aged about 23 years, son of Manihar of Sabungkok Kunau Awang Lekai; Laishram Arun, aged about 17 years, son of Ibohol of Sekmaijin Koidum Makhalekai; and Peroijam Malem Nganba, aged about 18 years, son of Manglem Iringbam Hawaii Lai Maya Kakching. It may be mentioned that despite Manipur CM N. Biren Singh's recent assertion of peace and celebratory cake cutting at the BJP headquarters in Imphal for election victories, the stark reality unfolded as thousands mourned at the Jenim's mortuary, claiming the bodies of 13 Meitei individuals slain by Kuki militants in the Tenopal district just days earlier. In the midst of grieving, a collective sentiment emerged as people voiced their anger, asserting that Manipur, under CM N. Biren Singh's leadership, has become a lawless state. Thousands gathered at the Bureau's site yesterday to offer their last respect to the departed souls who laid down their lives for the motherland. People voiced their anger and resentment with slogans to avenge the deaths of the martyrs.
Akan balalong ama galon sa thaliba landa asida laibak tiba thodo amo ina ha batari akhugi Tenopal district manung chanba sitabia sini kha samsi laglaiba saimol khulda akhugi khulnakpa akhugi micham ha batari khulnakpa volunteer akhui mi tarahumdoi akhui military singna haraga tamthina otpani ha chingna mong da hatolaga akhugi security force na akhui jenimsa program matung posotem loraga asi akhugi ma hoji akhui leifam asi akhugi Androgi mafam ama oriba akhugi Torongthel gi haiba akhugi integrity park adudani akhugi athauba yue traumdogi asi bangsa asi postmortem lor matungda akhugi mafam asi khunja singla lampa asida akhugi mafam katsage haina mayam amatun yanra matungda integrity park asi daida hoji akhugi pung ahumga mi nifuma to chale mafam timing asida pungja asida akhugi athauba traumdogi asi bangsa lairon chanbagi Nuloba Matamadu Yore, Adubu Kuki narco terrorist in the Haitare, Kuki narco terrorist in the Kuigi, Manipuri, Fugainaba, Sansi Liver Land, Asida, Manipur Sakara Madi in the government, Camp Kuna Tuna Lake, you don't even know, Benina, Kuigi, lepa leitana apun mo sitam thugai na bagi akan ba khongjang da tare kuisin kina ko terrorist ne tajal akan ba khongjang da Meitei hai ba phulu bus da atam na target tawduna lepa leitana mi tu phulu ki ne kya halali ba asida gi Manipur sarkar na kadai phawa tumni yendul leidro ribono ngasi si apoi Manipur government ni maike de gi nataga sutungan tungan ba apoi center amadi state government ni maike de Manipur da tangdul ta yam hanjilak pa hore hai na tungan tungan mafam kya da platform kya da law phong lo su laibak thiwa thok tok da ngasi si asuk tam thi ba mong da haki ba sina Manipur da tangdul ta yam hanjilak kya ba diga ajong kuda mo ori ilung manung gi maike de gi amadi tungan tungan ba organization civil society organization amadi club si maike de gi tengkha poltana nilaba mafa ama ko gi Manipur da adumba tengkha poltana nilma Manipur ama ori kayam kuina suguma tengkha ko da ta na lege do ribono haibasi miyam mafam da amadi sarkar da miyam na chauna hangwang am ori ilamasi matang da pawdom jiri ba do sen right bam ELITETV news Torongthel